So, hello, today we are here to learn measurements of our cake pans. Today we are learning how to measure our cake pans to know the exact size of cake pan we are using for a particular cake. The cake pans come in different sizes and shapes. We have the popular round shape pan, which are these of different sizes. So how do you know the size of your pan? You have to use the tape measure to get the exact measurement of the pan. We also have the square pans. These are the most common cake shapes that we do regularly. So that's why I decided to just treat only these two for the purpose of this class. So now we'll be measuring to know the sizes of these different pans. You see, they are different sizes. So if you want to measure your cake pan, you turn it over. You place your tape rule, your tape measure at the bottom, this way, at the bottom. You place it from the first end of the pan to the other end. So as you can see, we're having 6 inch. So the bottom of this pan is 6 inch. So it means this pan is what? 6 inch pan. But the height is also, the height from this. You place the tape rule into the pan like this. Can we see the height of the pan? We are checking this. This is the height we are about to get the measurement. So now you use your tape from number 0 here, which is this place. Number 1, then you place it inside the pan like this to know the height of the pan. So here we have, let me come close, 2.5. 2.5. It means this cake pan is 6 inch round and the height is 2.5 inch. In case you are going to the cake shop to buy a pan, you should know how to get the exact size of pan you are looking for. So that's for that. The same way we measure this also. So if you want to get the height of this pan, you use your tape rule and place it inside the pan. Are we saying this? Are you saying this? So now this is 4 inch high. This is 4 inch deep. Inside is 4 inch deep. While the bottom is 7 inch. 7. Hope you can see it. So now this pan is 7 inch round. It has 4 inch, is deep, 4 inch height. Do you understand? I'll be listing the different measurements we have measured today under this video so that you can know exactly what we are talking about. So let's go to our square pan. That is exactly the same thing you did for the round pan is what you're going to do for the square pan also. So like to get the exact size of this pan, are we saying it is square in shape? All the sides of a square pan are equal. So any height you get here is what you get here, is what you get here, and what you get here. It means the four sides are equal. Do you understand? So now let's get it. So now this is, the bottom is 6 inch, while the height is 4 inch. So this is a 6 inch square pan with a 4 inch height. Means the deepness is 4 inch. Is 4 inch deep. Do you understand? So that's it. This is another square pan. So same measurement goes for this. Here is 7 inch and here is same 4 inch. So these two pans are of the same height but different sizes. This is a 6 inch and this is a 7 inch. Hope we understand. So this is how you do for other pans, other pans that you have, depending on the shape of the pan you are using. So in our next class, please leave a comment under this video to tell me what other thing you would like me to treat, what other cake topics or the things that is confusing you that you want me to talk about in the next video. Please drop your comments, like this video, share with your family and friends, especially those that are into baking, the beginners that need these classes. Share, like, and comment till we meet again in our next class.